Close your eyes and focus on your breath. You are aware of yourself, knowing naturally that you exist. You perceive the entire world around you. You need not reject anything. Your ability to recall or comprehend things is present too. You are, right now, present in this moment. Do not judge, let everything simply be. Allow whatever happens, but don't identify with it. Just avoid attaching to anything. Stay completely detached. Although your body is present, the world is visible, and your senses are functioning, you are only aware. You are like something entirely invisible but present here all the time. You are not the body, not your thoughts, feelings, or even your mind. Even while perceiving, you hold no identity with these things. When you stop identifying with anything, there is a vast spaciousness within. But it's not just inside you, it's everywhere. There's no need to identify with any image or use your imagination. Don't attach to inside or outside, just feel how limitless you truly are. Without holding on to the body or what you perceive, you are simply here. You are awareness itself. Without identifying with anything, you remain present here. How peaceful this awareness feels, as it is free of time. What you're experiencing now has always been here. When you identify with the body, mind, and thoughts, it seems like this awareness disappears, becoming hidden. We often overlook ourselves because our attention gets pulled into thoughts, memories, and personal identity. The more time you spend being conscious of your true self, without identifying with anything external, a mystery unfolds. No matter what happens, whether you walk, talk, work, or rest, everything flows naturally while you remain rooted in this presence. No matter where you go, this awareness remains. It will not leave, as it is everywhere. It is beyond the senses, yet it enables them. It cannot be seen, smelled, tasted, touched, or heard. When your attention drifts into identification, it only seems like this presence is hidden. This is the wonder of your true self, which is always here, not requiring any effort to be. You don't need a technique to be yourself. Sit with your true being for a while. Fall in love with it.